Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam Malaysia Madani. Saya Nur Sofia Alisa Mazlan, wartawan anda untuk program lawatan pertukaran budaya dari Thailand, Visit of Songkla City, Municipality and Tasman 5 School dan juga SKBBS yang berlangsung pada 14 hari bulan 7, 2026 jam 8 pagi hingga 10 suku pagi yang bertempat di kantin Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Bandar Basitu. Tujuan program ini diadakan adalah untuk mengeratkan hubungan persahabatan antara pelajar Malaysia dan Thailand serta berkongsi pengalaman dan budaya.
We are students from Tasman Private Professional School.
With me now is Gitar, a student from Tasman 5 School, Thailand. How was your experience during this program?
Okay, first of all, I am very happy to have the opportunity to visit in this school in Malaysia. And I'm very impressed because everyone is so kind, friendly, and just give me a warm love. Yeah. And I gained a lot of knowledge of Malaysia, such as Malaysian dance. Yeah, and I'm very impressed.
Okay, how do you feel about participating in this program?
Pardon me?
How do you feel about participating in this program?
I feel very impressed. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Sekian sahaja daripada saya, Nur Sofia Alisa Mazlan, melaporkan dari program lawatan dan pertukaran budaya dari Thailand. Assalamualaikum dan terima kasih.